Hi friends and students, can you solve this? These are the best puzzles in the market. Red color box and black color box. Red color box is like a level 1, black color box is like level 2. So IQ Buster 16 in 1, turn off TV, set off mobile, challenge your IQ together with your family and friends. So test your IQ knowledge, engage yourself for the long time up to 1 to 2 hours by seeing the tricks and tips which is present backside of the box. So I am recommending you to solve this all the puzzles. So here we are having different type of puzzles. Let us see what type of puzzles we are having here. So here we are having MW puzzle, spring puzzle, S puzzle, Q puzzle, heart puzzle, lock puzzle. In this manner many are there, so this all we can solve. So here if you are solving by seeing videos from the YouTube, that is not challenging. So here I'll recommend it that backside of box only we are having some tips and tricks. By seeing that only you solve, then we will get little bit happiness, like maza will come. Otherwise if you see by seeing the videos of a YouTuber, if you solve that, so that is not that much happily, we can't feel that much happy. When you solve by yourself you will get happiness. So here I am showing you all the different type of puzzles. Here we are having a, this is a red color box, again we are having another black color box also. Total 32 puzzles are there. As I said to you, here we are having 5-star puzzles, 4-star puzzles, 3-star puzzles, 1-2 are very easy puzzles are there. So these are the puzzles suitable for the age from 5 years to 15 years or 20 years. Okay, so you can solve it. Here it is a black color box. This is also same type of box only. It is little bit high level. Here also we are having 16 in 1. So here let us unbox this. Here also we are we can see that here we are having spring puzzles, lock puzzle. Three pieces are there. Some puzzles we have to separate it. We have to separate it and we have to join it. Okay, so this all the puzzles are very interesting. We can solve it one by one. So we can challenge friends and family also. We can spend the time. So don't stick to the mobile. So I am suggesting you to buy these puzzles and you have to solve it. If you know this all these puzzles, again in market many puzzles are available like Hanayama puzzles. That also I made all the videos. So these are all puzzles I will make one by one video in the form of short. Here I am showing you directly that these boxes are having backside formula, tips and tricks are there. By seeing that only we have to follow. If you are solving by seeing that, it means your IQ level is little bit high. So if you can't solve, in that situation only you see. Until that I recommend you to follow the box backside tips and tricks only. So these are all the things you can learn one by one, slowly. You ask your family and friends. You can engage yourself. These all two boxes available together in Amazon around 1000 rupees. But if you want to buy separately, available in all platform like Flipkart, Meesho, around 450 to 500. Sometimes you may get for the 420 also. So these are the backside formulas. So by seeing this backside only we have to solve. So if you solve like this, little bit happiness will come and hand and eye coordination will improve. So can you solve it? If you